Hey traders, last update for 7/13/2015. Okay, we had a good Monday open. Everything was up this morning, and I promised I would do an update on Netflix because Netflix is gonna be the big buzz tomorrow, July 14th, 2015. Netflix is gonna be, where all the buzz at tomorrow because the stock is splitting 7-1. That means smaller investors are gonna come in. People who couldn't trade it before because it was too expensive, they're gonna come in. Institutions, bigger guys, they're gonna come in. All right, the stock closed today. All right, this is a 5-minute chart I'm looking at, and the reason why I got a 5-minute so you can see the price action in the last few days, and this is why I say Netflix is a monster. When it moves, it moves. All right, this is going back last Wednesday. Right here, it hit a low of 645. Okay. And as you can see, price went, was below the 200-day, below the 50. But right here, when price started rallying right here, this is late Wednesday going into Thursday right here. You can see, it went over the 200-day moving average. And right here, stock, the price went on another big run. Because from here, it never looked back over the 50-day, came back, touched the 50-day. Stayed above the 20-day moving average, stayed above the 50-day. Right here again, it came and touched it. I expected a serious pullback right here, which it did, but right off the before it even got to the 200-day moving average, right below the 50 right here, it popped up, and this was today. All right, this is the today move. All right, so on Friday, remember I told you the overall market started to rally on Friday, so you can pretty much look at here and say, boom, market opened on Friday here. And markets had continued going up higher on Friday. All right, so coming into Monday, there was a little pullback, probably in Friday afternoon session. A little pullback, a little consolidating. Some people taking profits. But right here on Monday, boom, you can see right here from the beginning, before the market even opened, stock had already made a first leg up right here. This is about 8 o'clock in the morning. All right, right here at 9:30 when it opened, buyers came in, boom. All right, it got pushed all the way up to 716. I wasn't even watching Netflix. All right, so when you see something like that, yeah, you could have took a trade here, but like I said, tomorrow there's gonna be more action, and you can see right here if they continue from where the price action left off, and this is kind of a tricky one right here for the simple fact that on the 5-minute chart, you can see momentum has just MACD's down. After this big move right here, all right, this big move from here, this is today's move. After this big move, you can see momentum is gonna die down right here. All right, my MACD is already down. It's waiting on the zero line. My momentum is down. It crossed to the upside though. My momentum crossed to the upside. So momentum is up even though the MACD is down. All right, you don't hear me say that often, but that's why I said sometimes you gotta know what you're doing and what you're looking at. All right, so I'm gonna go into a day chart. Okay, even into a day chart, as you can see, this is Netflix right here. Netflix right here, this is the last 2 days. It's making higher highs, and it broke. Well, this is the higher high. This is Netflix all-time high right here at 716. All right, so tomorrow, I expect this action to continue, but you can see the MACD is dying right here. It looks like it might cross back over, but it's too far extended from the zero line. MACD, to be exact, is at the 40%. It's 40% extended from the zero line. So momentum is crossing to the upside. So 40% extended from the zero line is the MACD. That doesn't mean it can't go up higher. The good thing about what this chart pattern looked like is that after this big move right here, it consolidated and it came back into here. All right. So it's not too far off the 50-day moving average. So there can be another leg up right here at the $100 mark. All right, so tomorrow, where does stock close? Stock close at 107. So 7-1 split, you're looking at $101 a share is what I think they're gonna price it at in the morning. All right, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna look for the action to continue in the morning. I could also look at the 4-hour chart. I look the same. Let me go into 1 hour. Okay. See, everything is kind of extended on Netflix, so that doesn't mean it can't go higher. All right, just look at over here. You see what happened over here when it was extended, and it just came boom, crashing down all the way to 637. So, what I'm saying is right now on this Netflix, remember this was a high that it had to take out with 705. It took it out, flying colors. So tomorrow on the open, what are we looking for? We're looking to see where does this price right here, where is this at? $100, 101. Below $100 would be perfect. I would love it below $100. But like I said, looking at Netflix, you know, overall on a long-term chart, the stock is a very, very, very strong stock right here. All right, after all this playing around, and then boom, it took off. So now we gotta wait to see what does this chart look like tomorrow. So I'm not gonna use this chart because I know they're gonna change the chart up tomorrow. So tomorrow or the next day, I'll go over this again. So on this chart, I just showed you what I'm expecting. Not even to see tomorrow on this chart, because this chart already made moves already. But if they pick off from where this chart is leaving off right here, you know, so from what we're looking at is momentum is up, but MACD look like it's crossing back down. And then what does MACD mean again, people? Moving average, conversion, diversion. All right. Okay. That's all I use in the momentum. All right. Pretty good, huh? But anyways, I'll keep you guys posted tomorrow after the bell. I'll see how this thing goes, and then I'll make another update for you guys. So right now, if you're gonna trade Netflix, stay on the sideline until you see the price action. Okay, that's my advice. So for the rest of you guys, keep sending me the emails. All right, I'm gonna start doing the smaller cap stocks. All right, I'm not gonna touch the OTC or OTC stocks. So if you got pennies that are in the Nasdaq, that are in the NICE, yes, I'll go over those. But anything in the OTC, all right, you know what? I'll go over it, but I'm not gonna recommend you guys to take these trades. You know what I mean, on the OTC, because you know there's a lot of things you need to understand about those markets, and now's not the time for me to explain them to you. So on the next time, I will keep you guys posted on what happens tomorrow with Netflix. I'll go over these other issues and topics on the next video. So for now, you know, keep sending me the emails at the number 3, the letter D, consultme @gmail.com. Peace.